We're making the last dessert of the year, and trust me, it's the best one yet. Today we're making chocolate hazelnut tarts. Crisp cocoa shells filled with soft chocolate cake and topped with an airy hazelnut praline mousse. They're small, luxurious, and unforgettable, but somehow they're super easy to make at home. So if you're ready to end the year with a dessert that'll have everyone thinking you're a pro, let's get started. Let's make the shells first. Start by mixing your flour and a pinch of salt. Then go ahead and rub in cooled butter until it feels like fine crumbs between your fingers. The colder the butter, the crisper and cleaner your tart shell will be. Tart dough is the base of many French pastries, so nailing this basically means you're a pastry chef. Add icing, sugar and egg, mix gently and burn the dough together. Chill for 30 to 45 minutes. This keeps your tart shells neat and sharp. Roll out to about 3 mm thickness, line your tart rings and freeze for 15 minutes. This is what gives you those perfect bakery style edges. Bake at 170 for 12 to 15 minutes or until crisp and golden brown. Set them aside to cool completely. Now let's make our praline, the heart of the mousse. Toast your hazelnuts until they're golden and fragrant. That's what brings out their deep, roasted flavor. Then make a quick caramel by melting sugar with a splash of water until it turns a rich amber color. Pour that hot caramel right over the warm hazelnuts and let it cool into one glossy, crunchy sheet. Break it into pieces and blend until smooth and glossy. The praline goes through many stages: chunky, sandy, thick, and then finally silky. So don't stop too soon, just let the blender do its magic. If you love learning about pastry, just like and subscribe. We have videos like this every week. Melt your chocolate and butter together. Whisk in sugar, egg, and egg yolk. Then fold in flour, cocoa, salt, and some vanilla. Spoon a thin layer into each cool tart shell about 1 centimeter high. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes until just set. Let them cool completely. Soak the gelatin in cold water. Gently heat the milk, then stir in the softened gelatin until it fully dissolves. Pour this warm mixture over your dark chocolate and praline paste. Blend until smooth and let it cool to room temperature. Pipe it over your tarts and chill for at least 3 hours or overnight if you want perfect slices. Use a little extra praline paste and pipe tiny glossy dots on top, like some edible fireworks. Add edible gold or roasted hazelnut halves if you want that New Year sparkle. And there you have it, chocolate hazelnut tarts, the perfect New Year's Eve dessert. Crisp cocoa crusts, soft chocolate cake, airy praline mousse, little bites of pure celebration. Elegant, festive, and guaranteed to disappear before the countdown even begins. Thank you for all the love and support. Happy New Year from all of us at the Cocoa Circle, and we'll see you next time.